Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Since cleansing, toning and moisturizing is very important. Cleansing, I have done it with Good Vibes face cleanser, charcoal face wash, and toning I'm doing with a Good Vibes Rose Glow toner. Next, I'll be using a primer which is I Am Amsterdam primer, and I've given this review and I bought this primer from Purple. It gives a very soothing effect to the face. I don't have too much pores issue, but applying primer is good because it fixes up your base. I'm not using any kind of moisturizer. Maybe it's winter, but I really don't like it. If you want, you can use a slight moisturizer for the same. Next, I'll be using MN BB cream. My ingredient in this BB cream is green tea, and we have rose ingredient as well, and one more ingredient is there. You can apply this BB cream with the help of dots all over the face. Don't go with too much quantity because it might look patchy, and we should always apply first. Either we are using a foundation or a BB cream with the help of dots, then you can build it up later, and slowly and gradually you can build up the coverage. It will normalize in your skin and it will give you a good look. Next, you can take a damp beauty blender and blend it up. Right now you might feel it is looking little bit patchy and looking little bit white, but later on it will get oxidized and suits my skin very well. It's a very good BB cream and I definitely recommend it to other girls. Blend it well guys. Now you can see the BB cream has been oxidized into my face. Next, I will be using Swiss Beauty concealer. I love this concealer and I would highly recommend to the people, those who are using, means new to this concealer version. And I'll use this concealer where I need the highlighting. In the chin area, under eyes, and in the nose, and definitely in the forehead part. Blend it well guys. It's a very good concealer, and people those who have like dark under eyes, they can definitely go for it because the tone difference is there in the normal skin and the under eye. For contouring, I am using Kiss Beauty concealer palette and brown color shade for contouring my nose and my cheek area. I am not too much contouring lover person, but I do contour sometimes. Right now I'm using this palette and it's a cream contour. You can use this strategy to for the contouring of your cheeks, and when you smudge it with a damp beauty blender in the upward motion, not in the downward motion. Always smudge your contour part in the upward portion and don't bring the lines of the contour below your cheeks. Next, I'll be using Blue Heaven Sapphire Translucent Powder for setting up my contour as well as setting up my base. So under eyes I'll set up first because for eyeshadows, when it gets a fall off, it won't stick to the skin, and the areas where I have contour below the cheeks, below the areas of the contouring part for highlighting. And I will also use this setting powder, translucent powder on my laugh lines. Next, I'll be using the eyeshadow from ADS. It's a very good eyeshadow where I have all kind of nudes. I'm taking a brown and doing a cut crease. It's not a very dark brown, it's a medium brown, and gently I'll do it a cut crease. Since I'm wearing a black dress, so I'll be using black and brown both. So gently you can just put on some of the shadow in the blending brush and draw the cut crease line very efficient. Do it efficiently and make a base stronger. Next, I'll be taking a darker shade from brown and mix it up and make my base eyeshadow base a little bit darker, and it gives a very good effect on an eyeshadow. I'm not making any kind of cut crease with the help of concealer. I'll take a glitter shade of brown and apply it on my cut crease line, and which make my eyeshadow look a little bit glittery as well as a little bit of smoky eyes. So I am taking the shade brown only but it is a glittery brown little bit, and applying it the pigment with the help of fingers, because when you go with a glitter eyeshadow, always apply it with the help of fingers. It will give a good payoff, but if you apply it with with brushes, it doesn't give a good payoff. I'm also taking a silvery shade in order to highlight my eyebrows. So if you see, if I have taken a little bit more of the eyeshadow, so with the help of blending brush, I'm just fixing it up Next, I'll take a darker brown and I'll apply it under eyes. I have used NY Bay Kajal. It is a jet black kajal, and I'll apply it gently and mix my brown shade of eyeshadow with my kajal and apply it under eyes because I have hooded eyes and I do prefer putting the eyeshadow in the under eye also, a little bit of the pigment. You can skip it off if you don't like it. It's a personal choice. Next, I'll be using Lakme Insta Blue Eyeliner. It's a very good eyeliner. If you want, you can use Blue Heaven Blue Eyeliner also. I have already applied the eyeliner, just setting it up a little bit. And I love this eyeliner. It's very good. And if other eyeliners, you have other brands also for the same. And I'll be also using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara for my eyelashes. It's a very good mascara. If you want, you can use Blue Heaven mascara as well, but I personally love the wand and the color pigment of it, and it's one of my favorite mascara, so I am using it. Use it gently and efficiently. Next, I'll be using this brown color eyeshadow for my this contouring part, because I have used cream contours, and for cream, when you're using cream contours, you also have to set it up the contouring section with the help of bronzers. For makeup fixer, I'm taking Swiss Beauty makeup fixer and just spraying it up all over my face. It has an ingredient of aloe vera, and taking a beauty blender, just spreading it up. You can just spray the makeup fixer in the beauty blender also. And for lipstick, I'm taking Maybelline Brooklyn Bear for the lipstick. It's in nude shade and a little bit brown and nude shade, since I have went for black and smoky eyes with a blue eyeliner, so I am using a little bit subtle color for lipstick, not too bright, neither too less, so because when you go for very very highlighted eyes, then you should always use a light color lipstick or a nude shade lipstick. It will give a very good appearance. And this is the final look. I'm also using any kind, if you want, you can use any kind of highlighter. I'm using a SFR highlighter, and gently I'm applying it on my cheeks and my upper area. I have not used any kind of blusher. It's a personal choice, guys. If you want, you can use it. Thanks for watching.